Hey Wrinkles, how have you been?
Well, it's kind of wet out.
I can't really hear you.
I said it's kind of wet out.
Kind of wet out?
Yeah.
Are you ready for another camping adventure?
Another?
Another!
This time it is. Yeah!
This what?
This time it is.
Oh, this time it is a camping adventure.
Yeah!
But your friend Chacho's not here today.
Oh,
Yeah, he had to stay home at Grandma's.
that's okay.
That's okay?
I like you better.
Oh, wonderful. I like you too.
Oh, I tell ya.
Okay, so we have the canoe down over by the lake already. And we just have to get our
I
backpacks.
thought you didn't know which way the lake was.
Well, you showed me where the lake was.
I did?
You did.
Oh my God, there's people coming.
Oh. Okay, so we're leaving from Smoke Lake. And we're heading down to Ragged Lake for our first night. We are leaving late. It is 4:30. Okay, so we're at the portage from Smoke Lake, right? Smoke Lake to what? The camera's facing me. Take two. Okay, so we're at the portage from Smoke Lake to Ragged Lake. As you can see, the lake is really flat. And we're actually going to go see, there's a dam, that's why there's a portage here, so we're going to actually go see the dam and see how it is. We left about 4:30, I'm guessing it's probably 5:30, maybe closer to 6. We are really slow today, but that's okay because we're just taking our time. Okay, you can see all these flies, or not flies, you can see all the bugs that are here. Okay. So here we go. Smoke to Ragged. There's a chipmunk. There's a chipmunk. There's my chipmunk sound. I'm already tired. Can't help it. We're looking for a paddle. For the Paddle in the Park contest. Where there's paddles hidden on portage routes throughout the park. There's 6 or 8 of them this year. Blue jay up. No. How many food for you? Get lost. Okay, so we've made it to Ragged Lake on the other side of it. I'm just going to show you what the dam looks like that we went around because it's actually really long. So it starts, there's mosquitoes everywhere, over there. Then it goes over here, that's the actual dam part over there. Then it goes over here, over here, over here, to there. So, that's Ragged Lake, dam between Ragged and Smoke. And we are heading that way. Okay, so we just finished eating. We've decided to take this site. This is not on the island, but a site that's across from the island on Ragged Lake. There's Mo putting the tent together. Wave. There you go. We finally put up our VCS dining tent thing, 13, not the 16. And it is small. Like it's about 8 by 8, the screen in there. It worked well though, because we were sitting there having supper and there was hardly any the bugs were all on the outside trying to get in. It was kind of funny. So it works well. I just didn't think that the smaller one was going to be so small. Could have got the bigger one. It was only like $30 more or something like that, but this does work. So we're going to keep that up there. My GoPro. We ordered a GoPro before we left. Here it is. This stupid thing, the battery is dead already. We hardly, I don't even know how long we used it for, but the battery died on me. Now, I charged it for about 4 hours yesterday from it being dead, and I thought, oh, it would work, but apparently it didn't. So we're just cleaning up. There's our dishes. The water's pumped. Extra water down there. And I'll give you a little looky at what our site looks like. It goes right up. So we've got this flat area here where we are, and then it just goes straight up. And I don't actually know where the washroom is. Haven't even looked for it or anything like that. So, okay. I will talk to you tomorrow morning.